Flapping wings. Begin by lying down on your back with your knees bent and your feet standing hip distance apart. Press into both feet equally, rolling up the sacrum and the low back to rest against the back ribs. Place the balls on the outer edges of the pelvis underneath each hip bone and lower back down into pressure. Now, draw the knees in toward the midline to form a teepee. Gently press the knees together and feel the activation of the muscles, and then release. Allow the knees to open back up, first to parallel and then to continue opening as much as feels comfortable. Roll onto the pinky toe sides of both feet. Do this movement slowly, merging the movement with your breath. Inhale back up to center. Exhale, press the knees, activating, and then open the knees, releasing into gravity, creating deep pressure. Continue this movement, finding your own flow. Inhale back to center. Press into the feet equally. Press up and out of pressure. Take the balls out from under and then roll back down the spine and rest against the sacrum. Close your eyes and track sensation. What do you notice? Soften your jaw and soften your breath.